Hello, everybody. This is Tracy Brown, your somatic nutrition dietitian and attuned eating specialist. All right, so I just want to do this is a short video, and I think it's important that you assess this really early on in your process, is that there is such a thing as too much information. There's information overload. You can fire hose yourself. And we're really, at the beginning of this process, eager to do it. We read everything we can about intuitive eating and non-diet stuff and body image stuff, and that's all good. But I do think there's a point where we're always taking in so much information that we're doing the thing that we used to do in diet culture, which is seeking, instead of embodying anything. Really, we're still living in our minds because either we're not used to being embodied with some of the safe information we have or the safe sources we have. We're not used to that because maybe we're really intellectual folks, and it's like, if I just learn enough, then it'll soak into my bones. That's not the way it works. I mean, eating and nourishment and nurturance are very body processes. So if you're struggling with that, my recommendation is that you stop. You get off of Google and you only stick with 1 to 2 sources that that are safe, that you really trust, that have nuance to them. If they don't have nuance, and they're just kind of like yippity yapping about like what's wrong with something and not giving you a solution that's nuanced, and that it gives you actually a little bit of solution to how to work with the confusion you have, it's probably just, it is what it is, right? It's just kind of getting you to get back up in your head and be fearful, to be honest, or to disembody you. Don't do it. My suggestion is, to have 1 or 2 resources that you can go to that are just nuanced and give you some steps to be more embodied. Yeah, that's right. I totally believe that. Good morning, everybody that's saying hello to me. Yep, it's really easy, even in this genre, to get really overloaded with information because there's lots of blog posts, there's lots of good stuff out there. That's why I try to make my videos short, not to go on and on and on. Occasionally I do that, but I give a disclaimer that, hey, this is going to be a pen and paper type of video or blog post, and even my blog posts are short. We can only take in so much information, and if we're stressed or if we're in fight or flight, we're not going to learn very well anyway. So I encourage you with this video to take stock of if you are reading more than you are taking action, it's time to stop reading and take some action on some things that you've already learned that you know that's going to get you where you need to go, or at least 1 step further on your process. That's what you need to do. So for you, if that means like I need to get off Dr. Google, I need to focus on 1 book, or pick your favorite 3 bloggers or whatever it is, and focus on what needs to be done. So if you're working on supportive eating, find the resources that work on supportive eating. If you are working on body positivity with dressing yourself in a way that's comfortable, I have a couple posts on that on my website. Focus on those and leave the rest this week. Just really, really work on living it, because if you don't live it, it doesn't become a new neural pathway, and it doesn't become your new normal. We can only change so much so quickly. We can't. It's not possible for us to do that. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking because I don't want to get your brain all over the place too. So take this video and think about, I need to pick 1 resource this week, or 3 at the most, and stay off looking up everything else. Get in your body, keep looking and listening for your signals. Try to eat. Like last night, I'll give you 1 quick example. I was thinking, gosh, I keep thinking about, I'm not really that hungry, but I keep thinking about food, and it's not super starving, but it's definitely not like, oh, I really need to get some big need met. And I'm like, I just need to eat. So I went to the freezer, got a drumstick, because I kind of felt like I needed something kind of fun and something with energy to it. and I ate the drumstick and I was fine. Moving on. That was it. It was over. Listen to those things. Just there's some level of like, is this right? Is this wrong? Just listen and just do it. And then use that feedback to be your teacher. All right. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'd love to hear in the comments below about how you get kind of lost in information overload and what topic that tend to be on. And then maybe we can all talk together about how to get more redirected. So thank you so much. And I appreciate it. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Thanks, Deb.